What up, guys, and welcome back to another video today. Today we got another 2 boosters, the 5th and 6th packs until we finish. Let me know in the comments which one you guys are voting for, either right pack or left pack to win. Going with right pack first, see what we get. Full card. Boom. Let's go. Make these last packs magic. What is this? We got something. Okay, we got an EX. I think I already have this. Next pack. So the right side got a hit. Let's see if the left side got it. This is what we ended up getting. Right side, I think the right side won this time. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.